Hello everyone, welcome to IBDP with Ion, and today we will be discussing geometry. Alright, let's start with the basic gradient formula. For example, a question is given that the intersecting points are probably 4 and 5, and here it is another intersecting point is -2 and 3. So the main gradient formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Alright, so this is our y2 and this is our y1 as we already know, and this is our x2 and this is our x1. So we can write it like this, that 3 minus 5 and -2 minus 4. So our answer will be 1 by 3. So this is our gradient, which we can also state as m. Okay, now the equation of the line. Our formula is y is equals to mx plus c. So m is the gradient here and c is the y-intercept. So c is the y-intercept. Basically, we have to answer in this form. So for this, we can solve from this math that we have x-axis and y-axis. So this is called point slope form. So we can continue this math where we already have the y1 and x1. So y minus 5 equals to, we also get the gradient, which is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 x minus, so our x coordinate is 4, so it will be 4. So this will be our answer, and we can see that this is already in a form of y is equals to mx plus c. Alright. Next, this is distance formula. So basically, what is the distance formula? Imagine in a graph, this is our first point and this is our second point. What is the distance between these 2 points? We have to find using this formula. So the formula is root over x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now the midpoint formula. So basically, what is a midpoint formula? So this is like the previous one, like there is 2 points and what is the midpoint between this line? So for example, A to B, so M will be the midpoint, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Alright, we also need to keep in mind that for parallel line, there is same slope. So m1 is equals to m2. But for perpendicular line, it is negative reciprocal. So the formula for this is m1 times m2 is equals to -1. Alright, I hope you guys understand the formulas. So in the next video, I will solve some maths relating to these formulas. So till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.